welcome back to my channel Neesan Study Corner. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we will learn about HCF and LCM. I thought मैंने जो फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स का वीडियोस इस चैनल पे डाला था, वो वीडियो से आप लोग अच्छे से मल्टीपल्स ऑफ फैक्टर्स सीख गए होंगे, है ना? चलो आज मिलके LCM और HCF निकालना सीखते हैं। HCF मतलब हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर और LCM मतलब लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल। But remember, HCF and LCM are mainly found with two or more numbers. Let's know more about HCF. HCF, that is finding highest common factors. For this, follow the steps. We have to find the factors of each given numbers. Then list all the common factors. Finally, find the big common factor of the numbers, and that is the HCF of that numbers. Now do this with an example. Here are two numbers, 6 and 9. Find its HCF. First step, find the factors of 6 and 9. 6 equal 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2 and 6 into 1. By arranging in ascending order, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 9. 9 equal 1 into 9, 3 into 3 and 9 into 1. Like 6, by arranging in ascending order, we get the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now we have to find common factors of 6 and 9. That is the numbers which are the factors of both 6 and 9. In simply, we can say that the factors that comes in both the numbers, we call it as common. Common factors of 6 and 9 are 1 and 3. Now find the big number from the common factors. Big number is 3. So HCF equal 3. Try it with another example. Find the HCF of 8, 12 and 20. For this, we should follow the steps. Step 1. First find the factors of each and every number. The factors of 8 equal 1 into 8, 2 into 4, 4 into 2 and 8 into 1. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next, 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2 and 12 into 1. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Finally, 20. 20 equal 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5, 5 into 4, 10 into 2 and 20 into 1. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. मैं हमेशा बोल रहा हूँ फैक्टर्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखो, क्योंकि जब आप कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे तो आपको इजी होगा. So common factors of 8, 12 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. आप वही नंबर्स लिखेंगे जो तीनों में कॉमन हो. सबसे बड़ा कॉमन फैक्टर है 4. So HCF equal 4. You can find HCF of any group of numbers in this way. Understand? Now know the magic of LCM. LCM पता है ना? Least common multiple. Common multiple जो सबसे छोटा हो. Steps to find LCM. Step 1. Find the multiples of each numbers given. Step 2. Find the common multiples of that numbers. Finally, the step 3. Find the small common multiple. You can understand well with this example. Find LCM of 3 and 4. Step 1. Multiples of 3 equal 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on and so on. The next multiples of 4 equal 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on and so on. Step 2. Now find common multiples of 3 and 4. मतलब जो जो मल्टीपल्स दोनों नंबर में आ रहे हैं वो सब इक्वल 12, 24 and 36 and so on. ज़्यादा निकालेंगे तो निकलेगा, पर हमको क्या चाहिए? LCM, हाँ ना? तो सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल है 12. सो LCM इक्वल 12. देखा मैजिक? बहुत ही सिंपल मेथड से हमने LCM निकाल दिया. ऐसे ही कितने भी नंबर्स का LCM निकालना हो तो आप यही मेथड यूज कीजिए. वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी. This is all about today's class. With this video, I completed the chapter Factors and Multiples. Next video will coming soon. Please do a like and share this video. And also do subscribe to my channel if you are watching it for the first time. If you have any queries, please follow me at Insta at NSCBest. Thanks for watching.